Hey everybody, Lucas Purden here, Paul Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're looking at a 2019 Ram 1500 Classic, stock number 28566T. It's bright white, clear in color. It's got the chrome classic crosshair grille. Down low it's got the front parking sensors. .20-inch chrome wheels, the 5.7 liter Hemi V8, the Ram 1500 with the classic badge. This is a 19. It looks just like the old style 18s. Inside we got power mirrors, locks and windows, power seats. Got extra cup holders down here in the door. Up on the steering wheel, you got your voice recognition controls, your cruise controls, your gear selector, your four-wheel drive controls. There's a cool little feature right here for your phones. Hold your phones right here. Set your phone right there. Has a little opening for your charger to go through. Has heated seats, heated steering wheel, front and rear parking sensors, traction control, 8-inch Uconnect radio with Sirius XM radio. It's got a rear sliding window, if you can see that up there. Sirius XM Guardian. If you can see the controls up here. So you can call 911 or you can get a live assistant on there. Your center console. You got some storage up on the top, a little coin holder here. USB controls and auxiliary. Large compartment for storage. Open up the back. Spacious back seat. Got a pull down armrest with cup holders in it. Your 12-volt outlet down here. Cup holders down low. These seats fold up and fold out for flat storage here. There's a leg that folds down, helps it flatten out there. You can do that all the ways across, have totally flat storage. And it's easy just to go right back. Get a light in the bed back here to light it up. Rear backup camera, class 4 hitch, your backup sensors in the bumper, chrome dual exhaust. It's a really sharp truck. Again, we're looking at a 2019 Ram 1500 Classic. Stock number 28566T. I'm Lucas Purden. Come visit us at Paul Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio, or visit us online at paulsherrychrysler.com, or give me a call at 937-778-0830, extension 1129.